Alright, how you doing? We're down at Ballyhome Beach, so we are just around the corner a bit from it. We're going to go in and see if we find some stuff. Maybe get some rubbish out. You know, see. Environment. What's our environment over here?
That's the goal.
You can't see the thing, you have to wait until the wave dips down.
Just go.
I couldn't do it, boys, too hard. Alright, so we're down in Castlewellan. We'll have a look in the lake, see if we can find some treasure. We got my man Lenny with me.
Come on, Joe.
Let's see how it goes.
Alright, good luck, Joe.
Good luck. Got my first bit of treasure. Rich. I got a sole of a shoe. Here, that could be yours if you want it. Yeah. Alright. There you go. That could be yours.
Yeah, it's so heavy, this wetsuit.
What's around? It's original alcoholic iron brew.
You and I stole our idea, iron vodka, mate.
Iron vodka is the greatest thing. So you heard me and Nanny there talking about iron vodka.
Yeah.
So if any of you don't know, one of the worst mixes you could possibly make.
It is an ingenious concoction.
Yeah, it's a concoction from hell. So it's
Invented by the demons.
Yeah, as you can probably guess, it's iron brew and vodka put together. And we made it whenever we were at a concert in Glasgow.
Big 182.
Yep.
Shout out.
And it was quite possibly the worst thing I've ever tasted in my life.
Disgusting.
It was woeful. Hang on, it absolutely destroyed this guy. This guy was out of it. Hang on,
was in another realm.
hang on.
Get the photo of me.
Watch the end of the video and you'll see. You'll see Lenny's state after iron vodka.
State, I thought I was Herobrine. Seriously.
What are you? What?
Just like, yeah, 25 cents, mate.
I love how we call it treasure, and it's fucking bottles.
Sediment. Like,
See
I see
this?
nothing but like dirt.
Ugh.
Here's some glass. I don't want anyone to stand on that, so. Daddy,
What?
can you throw them in? I found a glue stick. That's probably the best find of the day. Throw them in.
What is that?
There's 3 things there, Lenny.
Come on, that's mine. Oh.
You are actually the stupid. I have to try like tidy that up a bit so that no one dies on it, right? I'm gonna have to throw it in here because if we keep that out in the beach, people are gonna get hurt.
Boys!
There's Joe's lit so far, and there's Lenny's lit.
Daddy, you know the way you don't have a dive knife? Yeah. Like me? Yeah. I got you a knife.
That's like sharp as well.
For the fishing pole.
I did.
Leave a GoPro back and find loads of stuff.
Sweet, take this.
Fishing pole. We're halfway there if I want.
See, trying to get down deep is impossible.
Thank you.
Fuck you.
I literally cannot carry any more. Mad like, isn't it? Oh, it's crap, boys.
I can't even say Jesus.
Toy boat!
No!
Oh my god!
That's so cool.
Yeah, look at this. It's
The float, does it still float or is it a sinker?
I don't know. Yeah.
It's a sinker. I'll
See you
Titanic.
later. Look at that, that's class. Oh, I just broke it. I just broke a boat. Oh my god.
It's coming into port. Oh shit, it's fallen. No! It nearly sank again. Oh, the top came off. Hang on, Lenny. There you go. The electrics are still intact, you know. Where?
It's all crap I found. Mad how much stuff was like
So much junk. This
So
was about
blind.
half of it, I'd say.
it would actually like swam from there to the next like wee opening, which is like I don't know, like 25 meters down all the way. And that's all the crap we found. And then we found treasure. Boom. Boat. What do you think of that? Yeah, we found a wee motorboat.
It's a bit broken.
Yeah, no, it's
Doesn't
good.
really float.
Here, hold on.
What?
There's a bait on it.
Happy days.
Happy day. I think I threw it on.
What about the scissors? And
And then we got these look like surgical scissors, don't they?
Actually do, yeah.
Aye.
Like,
I don't think they are like.
taking out
Look like it.
bullets and stuff.
Hey, was that a reel attached to it? Yeah, that's a reel. That's like a fishing scissors.
Yeah, no, it's just because there's loads of baits and stuff.
There's loads of bits. There's just be floppy bits.
Yeah, these wee floppy ones. I don't know what they're called because it's not really a
We
fisherman.
found 3 tennis balls.
3 tennis balls, loads and loads of baits. I think
Where's the knife?
there it is. Found a knife as well.
It's more like a blade.
All in all, I think the best find is probably the boat.
Yeah.
I
It just has to be the boat.
I'd say probably the
But
boat.
look at that pile of junk.
It's
Mad,
That's so much.
mad how
There was so much more down there though. Like we could have lifted
You
so
know, I
much.
could have
Yeezys, lads. Absolute Yeezys.
Yeah. All right.
All's
these
you putting that on.
crabs.
All's
These
you
are
putting
crabs.
that on.
If we
You
get
need to
100
wear-
likes, my man Lenny will wear this for a day.
For a day.
Oh,
I'm working
okay.
for a day.
100 likes.
100 likes. Do you know what?
Shake on
We'll
it.
give it a
Shake on it.
We'll give it a go.
We got 100 likes, you have to wear
Okay,
this.
guys. Right. If you haven't liked the video,
Easy.
go and like this right now. If you want to see this guy wearing these Yeezys for a day,
Oh my god.
Lenny, that's gonna be the state of your foot. That's gonna be the state of your foot.
Please.
It's a 7. What size are you?
I'm size 10. There's no chance. There's.
You have
Well,
to.
you gotta fit it in.
We'll just-
Alright, well, anyway, we're gonna go round to the next bit where loads of people are swimming. It looks like most people go round there to swim.
I'm not
so
swimming
they
anymore.
might find like
It's just gonna
goggles
be Joe.
and stuff like that. Maybe less trash. Yeah.
Oh, you're a little bit of everything. You can be truth, or you can be lies. Today, who are you? You're a little bit of nothing. You can be right, but you can be wrong. Today, you're a fool. Somehow you do what you
You want a boot? He's found a boot. Look. Oh no, 100 likes, then you have to wear both of them.
I have to wear both.
I'm wearing them down to camera.
Lenny!
Just find a golf ball.
I saw you bumping into that wee girl.
She was coming on to me. There was nothing I could do about it. It just happened.
Yeah.
And
Held out to the police. Oh my! You could not look any more of a Peter right now.
it's the
Hang on, Lenny, wait, turn around.
Oh.
No. No, you lost your golf ball.
Alright, so we came around to the bit where all the people were swimming. We didn't find really a lot. We just found
We're the only two people in a wetsuit. Literally the only two in wetsuits. Look, just have a look around.
Sunniest day in Northern Ireland.
Me and Joe.
And we're in wetsuits. Right, well, anyway, we found a couple of baits, 2 pairs of goggles, golf ball, welly boot, and that's trash.
Guess who's wearing this?
What do we think, boys? All in all?
100 likes and then he'll wear that on the Yeezys.
On my right foot.
All in all, successful day. What do you think?
I think it was very well done,
I
Joe.
think we did well.
Yeah, so now we're gonna go bin all this shit. So yeah. See you later. What's happening?
Aye. So, we're gonna have a race around the maze.
Yep. So me and Joe used to like come here like every summer and go around this maze, and like, you know, we beat each other an equal amount of times, right? But this is like one of the biggest head mazes in Europe or something like that. Like it's massive.
So Lenny, we're gonna let Lenny have 5 minutes. No, not 5 minutes. Let's say
2 minutes. Say 2
2
minutes.
minutes head start.
Right.
And see if we can make it to the middle.
So Lenny's gonna have his phone on, facing his face, so you can see his reaction. I'm gonna have my phone on, Joe's gonna have his GoPro. So
Sweet.
let's see what happens. Let's go.
Ready, boys? Let's go. Right, so I'm in the maze here, one of the biggest mazes in Europe, Castlewellan maze. Absolutely no idea what to do.
I cannot remember this maze. Ewan says I remember the maze. I haven't a clue.
Right, I'm going now. I'm pretty sure I know the way, but I've got Lenny's Yeezys and the dog. So we're trying to get up to that bit in the middle, see that bridge? That's the middle. I know most of the way. Come on, Ben. Come on, let's go.
I swear, if I end up at a dead end, I'm literally just gonna cry. There will be tears. Joe and Ewan, they'll just instantly complete the maze in seconds.
We'll go this way. Yeah, I'm gonna go this way.
Okay, right, I think. Oh, fiddly dog, where are we? Oh, I know where we are, Okay.
I'm so lost. Come on down, open them. I'm nearly at the middle. Yes, I'm gonna win this. Or it's gonna come at a cost.
I should bring you to a wee like roundabout type thing. Found it. And then it's this one. Please be the right one. It isn't. Took the wrong one.
Literally just found a wee cheaty spot here. This wee hidey hole. I'm gonna find the spot again. I'm gonna hide here. Ian and Joe are chasing me. Put them down. Also like to point out I'm doing this in speed up.
Yes, I see it. Lads, I think I've won. And we're going, just see there. We need to get up here though. Prove it to Joe. Right, we're going up. Can you see that? Here we are. I've won.
Guys, it's been day 5. I've just been found. He's already up in the middle. I tried my hardest. Wouldn't work.
Right, Nanny?
I don't know.
Right. You're recording the wrong way. You're? Yeah, this way. Wait, no, pause the recording and then.
I've won. Apparently I'm
You're there.
yeah. That's you home stretch.
You just sprint the last. You got
You're like
10 seconds.
Spider-Man, the wetsuit.
I've arrived, Ewan. I made it.
Eventually.
We made it here.
Took your
Finally.
time, like, didn't you?
I got lost. I literally thought, right, do you know what? Stick to the edges. That always works. Didn't work.
I got
Didn't work.
here in 5 minutes. I was buzzing.
That took me a while.
We want to mean stick to the edges, don't I?
I thought that was like the
The aim
rule.
is to get to the centre.
Yeah, if you stick the
I thought we were just trying to get out.
Right.
And we're heading home. And Saber's sticking on my car. I'm gonna cry.
You just have to believe in fate.